So I was going through some old notes when I came across this paper a friend gave me a few years ago on the best times to drink water to maximize its effectiveness in the human body. Water is one of the most important nutrients for the body besides food and air, and we are mostly water. But did you know the best times to drink water? Drinking 2 glasses of water after you wake up helps activate internal organs. 1 glass of water 30 minutes before a meal helps with digestion. 1 glass of water before taking a bath helps lower blood pressure. And 1 glass of water before going to bed helps avoid stroke or heart attack. I would also like to add on to the list to drink more water than you normally would the day before exercising, and to drink a little bit before and during exercise. You don't want to drink a whole lot of water during exercise, so you don't get bloated or have to go to the bathroom frequently, unless you are sweating a lot. You also want to drink plenty of water after exercise to rehydrate the body and muscles to be prepared for the next exercise session. Remember to replenish electrolytes, which you can easily do by eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. Most fruits and vegetables have a high water content, so when you eat them, you're getting both electrolytes and some of your daily intake of water. So how much water should you drink per day? Drink half your body weight in ounces of water is a great start, and a little bit more than that, about 3 to 4 cups of additional water if you exercise or are going to be active. Most of the time I drink lukewarm or room temperature water, and when it's hot outside and my body heat temperature rises, I'll drink cold water. But sometimes I still drink warm water even when the weather is hot. It's a good idea to drink plenty of water all throughout the day, from the time you wake up in the morning until you go to bed, to make sure you are fully hydrated. So keep a bottle of water with you, drink, and keep refilling.